Hi everyone, it's Cosmin. In this video I'm showing you how to make a very simple and quick dessert, a delicious hazelnut cream. Start by mixing 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 6 teaspoons of lukewarm milk. Then mix 2 egg yolks with 80 grams of erythritol until they double in volume and turn pale yellow. Now combine the two. Add just a little hot milk to the eggs and whisk. And obviously choose a better pot to pour from than I have. Once the milk is fully incorporated, return the mixture to the pot and bring to a simmer. Now add 50 grams of ground hazelnuts and continue cooking for a few minutes. When running your finger on the back of your spatula leaves a trail that holds, you can cut the heat. Ladle the cream into your serving bowls and as soon as it cools down to room temperature, refrigerate it for an hour. I thought some whipped cream and chopped hazelnuts would be a nice addition. Because it's quite runny, I wouldn't call it a pudding. That's why I'm saying hazelnut cream. Let's see how it tastes. Absolutely delicious. You gotta give it a try.